Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I'm sharing this Mi portable air compressor by Xiaomi. I don't know if you guys have heard of this company called Xiaomi. They are like Apple in China. In the States, you've probably heard of it or probably not, but the more popular item in the States that you've probably seen before is the ones that you've seen everywhere that you can rent them and scoot around. Most of the scooters are actually made by this company called Xiaomi. And today I am sharing you this product that is made by Xiaomi, and it's a Mi portable electric air compressor. So what it does is it's actually a portable air pump. The cool part about this portable air pump is battery operated. It has a digital LCD screen, so you can accurately inflate your desired PSI of the item that you wanted to inflate. So this handy item, you can inflate like bicycle, a moped scooter, electric scooter, or even as hardcore as a car tire too. So you can inflate as little as a basketball or little ball or so. So the highlights of this item, it can actually inflate up to 150 psi, which is very powerful for a little item like this. So without further ado, I am going to do an unboxing and show you how it looks like, and briefly let you see the features of the item, and I am going to do some real-world testing. So please stay tuned for the entire video for my feedback of the pros and cons of this item, and also the most important is, will I be keeping this item for myself? So I purchased this item from Amazon. Links will be on the bottom description. If you are interested, curious, and want to learn more about the item, please feel free to check them out. So this is the air compressor. It's really tiny. It's like the size of my palm. And it comes with a instruction manual. And the instruction manual comes in many different languages, and English is actually one of the language in there. Comes with this really nice carrying pouch, so you can actually dump this inside the pouch and put it in your glove box or toss it in your bag. Really handy dandy. And these are the accessory that comes with the item. So this portable compressor is actually powered by rechargeable batteries. The capacity of the battery is 2000 milliamp. It comes with a USB cable, so you can plug into your charger to charge this device. And it also comes with a pin to inflate basketball or any kind of balls, you know. So to turn on the item, you just have to unplug the red side of the nozzle and it will turn on the item. Pretty cool design, right? So once you unplug the nozzle, it will show you an LCD indicator of the PSI. Or if you live in like a European country, a bar be what they call. But in the States here, we use PSI here. The good part about using these lit up LEDs, so let's say if you have a flat at nighttime and you want to use this device, so you can easily read out the selected PSI of your tires or so you can accurately inflate them, let's say during nighttime. So first of all, you have to set the desired PSI that you want to inflate. For example, like 45 PSI, or if you hit the plus sign again, 46 or minus. So the cool part about this item is it has presets, for example, for bicycle, for moped, for car, or even for basketball. Pretty well thought out feature. And it also comes with an emergency light. So if it's nighttime, you can actually use this as a flashlight. And here you go, this is the flashlight. So the best thing to do is actually show you this in action. So please stay tuned a little bit and I'll show you the real world testing of this item. Meanwhile, if you like the video or would like to support the channel, please feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you like the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out. Thumbs up, that really helps out the channel and I really appreciate big time. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm outside in the real world testing, doing this Xiaomi portable air compressor, and I just want to test out to see first of all, does it work? Is it able to fill up my Tesla Model S tires? So the standard PSI for the Tesla Model S is 45 PSI. And just want to see, will this compressor do the job? Currently, right now, it's having a little slow leak. So right now, currently, it's having a 41 PSI. So I will use this pump to fill up this tire for 4 PSI. And I will actually time it and see how long does it take to fill up this tire for 4 PSI. Alright, now it's time for my personal feedback of the pros and cons of this Mi portable electric air compressor. And also stay tuned all the way to the end. I will let you know will I be keeping this product for my personal use. Now for the pros and cons, let's start with the pros first. So the pros for this air compressor, it can go up to 150 PSI. And another pros for this air compressor, it uses battery powered, so there's no wires, nothing dangling around, so you can move it anywhere you want. Very portability. And another pros for this item, talking about portability, it's really compact size and the weight is not that heavy. And another pros for this air compressor, it has lit up LED indicators. So even if you're inflating your tires at nighttime, you can accurately see the desirable PSI indicated at the LCD screen right here. So another pros of this air compressor, it has built-in flashlight, so you can actually see in the dark. And the final pros of this air compressor is the build quality. The build quality is really nice and solid, and the design reminds me of back in the days of the iPod Classic. Item really well made. Okay, now it's time to talk about the cons of this air compressor. The first con is it's battery powered, but you cannot use it while it's charging. So if in emergency, you need to use this, but it ran out of juice, you cannot charge this and inflate your tires at the same time. This is a drawback. So the second con of this air compressor is it's kind of noisy, but it's kind of reasonable noisy, but it is noisy. Now, the final cons for this air compressor is it's really slow. So for inflating like a car tire, it took a long time to inflate just 4 PSI. So you can imagine if you have to inflate, if you have a total flat tire, it will take quite a bit time. Okay, now it comes down to the most important question. Will I be keeping this item for my personal use? And the answer is yes, I will keep this product. I mean, I think it's a really good product, even though it does have its cons, but it has more pros than the cons. That I would definitely keep this air compressor for my personal use. Feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you liked the video, which really helps support the channel big time. And please also hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you like to see more videos that I upload in the future. And if you like the video, please feel free to share to families and friends, which I greatly very appreciate. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, now I'm in the real world and okay, now I'm okay, I'm work. Is it able to fill up my Tesla Model S tires? They are rated to be factory. They are rated to be. They are rated to be a minimum of 45. So the standard PSI for the Tesla Model S is 45 PSI, and that's.
Oh, come on.